Ito yung mga variations na in-order namin, guys. Ito yung akin, ito yung sa sister ko, ito yung sa mother ko. So, all you have to do is, follow procedure. Follow lang procedure nila. Ayan. Ang laki-laki na kapaskil. You can't go wrong. Okay? Yan ang first station. Pumping station. And of course, iwi-weighing nyo muna para malaman nyo kung magkano babayaran nyo. Okay. Tingnan natin ngayon. Unupo. Kaya kami yun sa'yo. Hindi mo sinabi. Bilagyan sana kita. Eh ayaw mo na strawberry. Medyo tumigas na yung Nutella kasi lapit ang isa. Nonetheless, masarap. Masarap yung base. Masarap yung basic ingredient nila, which is ang ginawa ko kasi ng akin for mine, kombinasyon ng ice cream tsaka yogurt. Masarap kaya yogurt. Ayos. I can't go all out on ice cream, guys, kasi a few hours from now, magla-live stream ako for the critics out. Kaya kailangan ng boses ko. Pero, sulit yung bayan, ha? 317 lahat kami tatlo, eh. Ako pa pinakamahal. So, wow. Okay? It's worth it. Really, really worth it. Excuse me. Hindi. Sabit ako. The texture of the soft serve, talagang soft serve siya. At saka yung lasang-lasa ko rin yung yogurt. Okay. Grabe. Even on a cheat day, I eat healthy, guys. Hindi na ako ganun kabata para mag-all out pag cheat day. Akala ko kasi, guys, ang opening time nila is 10 AM. Napaaga kami na punta rito. So, what we did was, we had lunch muna at Uncle John's, which is their next door neighbor. Okay? Lunch tsaka konting merienda. Talaga yung lista na muna. 11 o'clock. Narinig nyo, ha? Narinig nyo sa crew. Okay? So, are you available on, sa Grab Food? Hindi pa?
Kasi baka pumatulaw tsaka
Ako sa bagay. Okay, narinig nyo yan, guys. They're not available on any delivery app dahil self-service kasi ang concept ng food outlet na to. So, kung gusto yung tikman yung mga putahin nila rito, pumunta kayo rito. Okay. Pumunta kayo rito. And, the ambience, napakatahimik. Okay, nakauwi na kami. So, I'm gonna give my review on Freeze Point Pasita. Very ambient ang setting. And very unique in concept. In terms of yung in terms of present day standards. Then yung ice cream and yogurt service sila, Wow! Okay? So, grabe. Sulit ang binayad namin. And I can't wait to get back to that establishment. Okay? Para lang mag-dessert. So, well, anong final verdict natin for Freeze Point Pasita? No-brainer, guys. At hawak kong cellphone ko eh. Yun na yun.